morning children. Today we will take the English activity book B and page number 31. Page number 31. Write the rhyming words. Now I'll show you ID, IT, IP, IB, IN, IG. These are the 2-letter words. You have to match into 3-letter words. Suppose for example ID. So HID, hid. Like that you have to use one letter and make a word of all this 2-letter words. So for example ID. So what you will write? HID, hid. Here it is. Now next DID, did. DID, did. Third one, where it is kid, here you will write KID, kid. Now IT, it. So search here for IT, it. Here FIT, fit. FIT, fit. HIT, hit. PIT, pit. Now IP, you have to search for IP words. ZIP, zip. ZIP, zip. Now RIP, rip. HIP, hip. Now you have to search for IB words. BIB, bib. Bib. Now where is another word of B? Search children. BIB, bib. RIB, rib. No, it's not there. BIB, bib. BIB, FIB, fib. FIB, fib. Now third word, where it is there children, just search. Where it is? Jig, win, kid, bib, hid, pip. Big, did, fit. Bin, fig, zip. Fib. Rib. RIB, rib. Now IN, in. WIN, win. WIN, win. Okay children. BIN, bin. WIN, win. BIN, bin. TIN, tin. TIN, tin. Now IG word. IG word. JIG, jig. FIG, fig. FIG, fig. BIG, big. BIG, big. Now I am reading out the words children for you. HID, hid. DID, did. KID, kid. IT. FIT, fit. HIT, hit. PIT, pit. IP, ZIP, zip. RIP, rip. HIP, hip. IB, BIB, bib. FIB, fib. RIB, rib. IN, WIN, win. BIN, bin. TIN, tin. IG, GIG, jig. FIG, fig. BIG, big. These words you will write inside the blue line and touch the red line neatly and turn the page number 32. Page number 32. So write the rhyming words. What is this? FIT, fit. What is this? Kit. So you will write here KIT, kit. What is this? FIB, fib. What picture is this? Nib. NIB, nib. DID, did. Who is this? Kid. KID, kid. Fix. What number is this? 6. SIX, 6. Bin. What is this picture? Pin. PIN, pin. Pin. Jig. P-I-G, pig. Pip. What is this picture? Lip. L-I-P, lip. Once again, I'll read out for you children. Fit, kid. Fib, nib. Did, kid. Fix, six. Bin, pin. Jig, pig. Pip, lip. You will write this and page number 31 and 32 complete and be ready for the corrections. Children, God bless you. Take care.